here is a disaster.
The guys of Blue Rigging are on the mast today again. It's so cool. You see? That's all. With the wind and something is catching fire. We have been awake since 5 a.m. Yeah, 27 was the peak. The trend is going up.
Hi guys, it's almost winter season, and of course we have a big problem of humidity under the bed, and so we figure out a solution that will keep dry the under the bed, of course. Okay, I show you, it's better than I explain in English. Okay, this is the situation under our bed, and this is the solution Max figured out to put under the mattress. And I start with my cabin. You can see also here what humidity did it to the panel here, and also to the hood here. It's a disaster. It's alive! Okay, first one is done, and let's do the second one before Max. He has to do some works. And what exactly are you doing?
This is the diesel indicator. It doesn't work anymore, so I'm going to substitute this with a Nemia 2001 that I still need to buy, but before that I need to measure this and see the size. So yeah. Second round. The guys of Blue Rigging are on the mast today again. After the incredible heavy weather of last week, this week is calm, only today and tomorrow, so they have only one day actually to finish the job, because there's no way we are going to do this. We can do this again, and in a week time we need to leave the boat and be at home, for 2 weeks. Anyhow, the guys are on the mast, and I really hope this will be the final time we are gonna attempt this.
Show you the last thing that I bought for organizing the galley is 2 shelves that I need to put the spices, and I was thinking maybe to install here somewhere.
Another day, another Blue Rigging day. So the guys from Blue Rigging came by. They are taking out the old backstay pulley, apparently, and that was the original one. Again, that's how Bavaria armed this boat, at the beginning. So apparently the pulley was the wrong kind, and you can see it's the wrong kind, and also it was blocked. It didn't actually spin. So the guys are taking that out, and they're gonna put me the new one that is done for backstays, metallic backstays. So this should be a good improve, and the regulation for the regulation of the mast and everything else. And also I have what will become, this is for the running stays. I'm gonna have two, one of each side, for the running stays, because the new staysail will require running stays, so we'll have those ones on the lateral. I still, and this is something that maybe any of you guys can help me with, a way to have them when I'm not using the running stays. I want to keep them on the side, but to have it automatic enough that at any time when I need it, I can pull them from the cockpit and attach them without having to go forward and, you know, retrieve them and take it back to here. So if any of you have any idea how to do that, or if any plans, or you guys have done it, please let me know. Okay, so one of those things that I love to find around is things that are gonna make your life easier, like really easy. And there is one product on all boats that have been exactly the same for the past 2,000 years, and that is the winch handle. Let me show you. So here's what a winch handle looks like. This is a fancy one with this that rolls, and this is a Harken, it's an old one, and essentially you use this to crank your winches, right? So you need to add it there and crank, and then every time you need to put in or take out the sheet, you will have to exactly, you will have to have a little fight with it, take it out, put out the sheets. This is it. This is what it has. This is everything, right? This is the best of the evolution of this product. Yeah, you have some variants, like this is the new one from Selden, and the difference is that instead of having the release mechanism here, it has it on the system itself. So when you grab it, you're actually releasing it. So it makes it, it makes it a little bit easier to put, a little bit easier to take off. The problem is that every time you want to use this, you will have to remove the sheet from the winch. So the consequence of this is, of course, having to do it 1,000 times. If you are a full sailor like us, once a year, this is gonna end up in the sea, which is the reason why we have 6, I think, in this boat right now. 3 years ago, I saw this advertising online for something that for me was like, okay, these guys have resolved 3,000 years problem, and here it is, the EaseSea. So this company is freaking amazing. For what my understanding is, these guys are Italian, and they developed the product because they are sailors, and they were like, this needs to be done better. This thing is freaking amazing. I was waiting to be in a place that I could actually, look at that I could actually order it, because, you know, being around, we'd never know. First of all, it's really cool how they package their things, because it looks like you are unboxing an iPhone or something like that. How cool is that? Instead of a plastic bag. And this is it. You see? How cool is that? The difference is that you can do this and it will fall. It's so cool. You see? Huh? Man, this is amazing. You just need to go here, and you got it like that, and then you can crank, and when you don't need it anymore, you just go plop and put it out. And the cool thing is that you can put your lines in and your lines out without having to remove it, which is pretty cool. So you do like me, you buy 2. I hope I did. Yes, you buy 2, and you have one on each side of the boat, and that's the last you will ever have to move this thing around. They have other products that I'm absolutely going to look into. This is such a simple, brilliant idea.
So this This week I'm the Karen of the Marina, uh, but it's necessary sometimes. I'm usually not like this, but well, maybe a little bit, but when it's necessary, someone has to do it. So that's me this week. And right now I'm going to the office of the Marina to ask them to move from another place, from another spot, because from 2 days from now there will be strong wind from the north again, and our place right now is not safe, and we had a lot of damage. I'm a little worried, so right now I'm going to ask them if we can move. Okay, they say we can move it, and I'm going to check first the other place they have to see if there's other boats and if it is all okay. Perfect. Yeah, there's a dinghy on the dock, but a current job for another day. Not today. Today I did enough. Okay, perfect. We have the back of our boat from the north, where here the wind is more strong. It's tramontana, and so the wind is basically move our boat away from the dock, so it will be perfect. And okay.
So, oh holy macaroni, something is burning. Wait, let me show you. morbid curiosity. I believe something happened.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
At the Brindisi port with the wind, and something is catching fire. Anyhow, it's gusting 39. It is supposed to get to 50 by 11 tonight, but we are holding it. Everything looks well. Every connection and everything looks how it's supposed to. Our dinghy is battling his own battle there. I might say our new berth is holding well. It's better than the other one. We were actually, I can show you. We were there between those two boats, and that boat is mirrored like in an awful way. So I'm happy to be here. You can see how they move. They move around really bad. So our new berth is good. With the boat on our side is moving, but the good thing is moving that way, so away from us. I have the big bumper there. Our boat doesn't move pretty much nothing. The one on the left is, steady. So I think it's good. I think we are good here where we are. The good thing is that it's going to get worse. Like in an hour or so, it will go down to 0, and then it will start coming from the north. This is from south, it's gonna start coming from north. You will see it from the bird. The bird will change. it will change completely the direction. And yeah, I think we're good. The one thing about this marina is that, as I said, it's well protected from the open water, but the distance between the marina and the other side of the bay is big enough to actually build waves. So we have two pontoons between the open and us. So here where we are is a little bit more comfortable, but you can see it on the boats on my back. They are moving a lot. There you can see the wave building, and it's half a meter there, half a meter of wave there. The good thing is that we are covered by these boats and the pier behind us, which is keeping us a little bit better. But you can see there with the white caps and everything, you can see how there they smash again. So you can see now there is a lot of weight there. Another day, another wake up with the gas. We have been awake since 5 a.m. Yeah, 27 was the peak. The trend is going up, so I'm gonna go outside and see if there is any problems. Let's see. So on this side, the issue is the dinghy. Let's see the lazy line. Yeah. Okay, cool. It's going through the line feeder here. So cool. It's on the clit. This looks good. Here on the side we have the big fender there, but we are not even touching. So definitely better than the other berth we were in. We are not even touching it in there. So cool. The boat is not moving laterally, not nearly as much as it did on the old berth. So I'm happy with this position now.